Guess what? I'm back. Well, once again, I'm not back. I haven't moved in the past, 5 videos. But you guys are back. Alright, quick one. So I've only got 6 minutes left on my phone here of recording. Some Audis. Three Audis. 2 from Hot Wheels and 1 from Wally from the replica vehicle series. So I'm going to start with that one first. Once I read the name of what it is, when I can actually... Audi C5, I think. Something... Q3, maybe. Oh God, I can't see. Anyway, it's an Audi. Look at it. Probably nothing of real interest, but I can't help myself. If it's there, I'll pick it up. If I had the money, I'll tell you what, every shop would be empty around here. Alright, enough of that one, because I think it's just a boring car. Next one is Hot Wheels 84 Audi in green. Green is nice. 84 Audi Sport Quattro. This is from Baja Blazers, 7 of 10. And 43 of 250. And that's a 2018 copyright date. This one was Castrol. It's a licensed product there for Castrol. And that is all I can tell you. That was on a short card, which is now rubbish, so we don't collect cardboard. Okay, cool looking car. I like the colour. Those wheels, yeah, I kind of, they suit it, I guess you could say. Next one is an Audi R8 from the Open Track from Car Culture. Rip that open. Oh, I like the colour on the base. I've done alright with that. It's a nice colour. Red. Yeah, Audi R8 LMS. That was 5 of 5. From Open Track, Hot Wheels Premium. Car Culture. That was 5 in that set, which was the Skyline, the Mercedes, or 2 Mercedes, Acura NSX, and the Audi. Audi, not Aldi. God, I go shopping at Aldi. I don't think they make cars. That was 2018 copyright date, and all licensed products on the back there. Okay, so we'll rip that rubbish up. Alright, so there we go. There's another couple of Audis to the collection. Yeah, would it be much easier if I just had one car or one type of car that I collected, or maybe 2? But I think I've pretty much got every single car brand that's been made, and I'm trying to collect them all, which is pretty stupid because I don't have the money to do that. But anyway, yeah, I continue to do it. So good on me. Hey, a life of being broke. All right, that's it. We'll see you later.